In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send V1's photo on WhatsApp, okay? As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Now, locate the WhatsApp app. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, because I normally see some people, they don't follow all the steps, but they complain that the method is not working. Now, follow every step here. So, let's click on WhatsApp. Then locate the chat that you want to send that V1. Let's assume I want to send it this chat. I'll just tap on the photo icon, then choose the photo that you want to send. Okay. Then you will say this method sends photo in the normal way. But now let me show you how to send it, the V1's photo. Now go back and select a contact that you want to send that photo. Let me select a random contact. Let me select this one. Then choose the photo. Then at the very bottom where it's written add a caption, you will see a symbol with one and circled and dotted. Just tap on it. Then tap on OK. Then after doing this, when you tap on the send icon, it will be able to send that V1's photo to the person. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.